Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good kombucha, easy method. Start with a clean glass jar and a healthy SCOBY, then brew strong tea and dissolve sugar fully so the culture has fuel. Keep the jar covered with breathable cloth to block dust while allowing airflow, and place it in a warm, stable spot away from direct sunlight for consistent fermentation. Begin by boiling water, steeping 3 to 6 tea bags depending on strength, and dissolving sugar completely. Then cool the sweet tea to room temperature before introducing the SCOBY and starter liquid. Pour the cooled tea into your glass jar, add the starter tea in the right proportion, and gently place the SCOBY on top. Cover with a clean cloth and store the jar where temperature stays even for reliable fermentation. If you're enjoying this guide, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fermentation tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and habits, and it pairs nicely with value-minded DIY hobbies like brewing kombucha. Check the description for the link and extra deals, pick up the book if you're curious, and now let's get back to the video. After about a week, begin tasting to find the balance between sweetness and tang, and continue up to 2 weeks depending on preference and room temperature. If you ever spot fuzzy mold or a foul smell, safely discard the batch and sanitize equipment before starting anew with a fresh SCOBY. For a fizzy finish, transfer kombucha to bottles with fruit or juice and allow a second ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.